The same steps with Type G and Type A to switch to Type. This universal travel adapter comes with 4 plug types. It pretty much covers. This universal travel adapter comes with 4 plug types. It pretty much covers all your travel needs around the world. 1 adapter. Over 220 countries covered. When you use it, just push and slide to switch between plugs. Super easy. The same steps with Type G and Type A. To switch to Type I, simply slide out the Type A plug and twist the pins inward. Shop for travel adapters. Don't know what types to choose? You can check the plug type before you travel. Search the socket type online. Or feel free to first contact our customer service. Inform them of your travel destination. They will reply in 24 hours. We'll show exactly which sockets these plugs fit. Skip ahead if you need specifics. Type C plug is compatible for those countries. Type G for UK areas. Type A is for Japan, Mexico, Canada, and other countries. Avoid using it for high-power appliances since it doesn't have a ground pin. Type I plug is for Australia, China, and other places. Choose the right adapter plug. Tessan has travel adapters for more than 200 countries. Don't let the wrong plug slow down your trip. Shop for the right adapter plug for you today.